안녕하세요. 오늘은 파프리카를 그릴 텐데요. 파프리카는 여러 가지 색이 있지만 대상을 빨간색으로 정해봤고요. 깊고 풍부한 느낌의 빨간색을 만들어가는 과정은 예전 튤립 영상과 비교해 보시면 좋겠고요. 열매의 곡선과 입체감을 살리기 위해서 하이라이트와 명암 처리도 잘 체크하고 진행하시면 좋겠습니다. 그리고 저는 열매를 강조하는 방법으로 잎사귀를 연하게 칠했는데요. 본인의 느낌에 따라 좀 더 진하게 그려보셔도 괜찮을 것 같습니다. 그리고 구독과 좋아요도 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다. 열매에 들어갈 색연필은 잎사귀와 줄기에 들어갈 색연필은 파프리카 열매를 그려볼 텐데요. 하이라이트 부분, 가장 밝은 부분들을 남기고 109번으로 칠해 보겠습니다.
There's a lot that I can say without saying much. Express how I am feeling with just a few words. Silently, and hope you'll understand exactly what I am meaning. There's a lot that I can do without doing much. Express how much I care with a sparkle in my eyes. Pleasantly just drift into your hands and surrender. This feeling is growing, my hands are tied. I'm bound to your decision. If I let it all in, then I might find myself just standing while
121번으로요. 한 단계 더 진하게 칠해 볼 텐데요. 좀 전에 칠했던 하이라이트 부분을 남기면서 칠해 보겠습니다.
There's a lot I can create just by allowing myself, setting a few boundaries free, gently just letting myself go to follow my intuition.
226번으로요. 한 단계 더 밀도 있게 칠해 보겠습니다.
Selfishly detaching myself, comfortably just seeking for a place to hide. This feeling is growing, but my hands are tied. I'm bound to this confusion.
121번으로 다시 칠해 볼 텐데요. 한 방향으로만 왔다 갔다 하다 보면 이 안쪽에 있는 부분들이 거칠게 보일 수가 있거든요. 이 부분들을 사선이나 직선들을 이용해서 골고루 한 단계 더 밀도 있게 칠해 보겠습니다. (225번으로) 칠해 볼게요. (194번으로요) 어두운 부분들 그려보겠습니다.
Find myself just looking at you. I'm closer to the edge and I don't understand.
위에 보이는 초록색 파프리카는요 168번으로 밑색을 깔아볼 텐데요. 꼭지 부분하고 같이 칠해 보겠습니다.
Crashing is not allowed.
165번으로요 한 단계 더 진하게 칠해 볼게요.
I'm a mess, you think it's funny. I would bet all my money.
174번으로 좀 더 진하게 칠해 볼게요.
I'm falling, you letting me touch my hand and my
157번으로요 진한 부분 칠해 보겠습니다.
yeah, you got me giving the best of me. I'm kissing the enemy.
168번으로요 조금 더 밀도감 있게 칠해 보겠습니다.
When things start crumbling, but you look at me for long enough, and I'll forget
잎사귀는 잎맥부터 102번으로 그려볼게요.
and burn in somebody's car. I hope it's yours.
170번으로 잎사귀 전체를 밑색 칠해 보겠습니다.
Only way I wanna fall apart. If I'm gonna end up hurt in somebody's arms, I hope it's yours. Driving me crazy, loving me, baby. That's the only way I wanna break my heart. So wear my best dress for an earthquake. Grab a drink and hope I don't sink through the floor while I'm asking you for more. I'm gonna regret it in the morning when my bedroom is on fire. But if I said that it wasn't exciting, baby, I would be a liar. Oh, if I'm gonna crash and burn in somebody's car, I hope it's yours. Driving me crazy, loving me, baby. That's the only way I wanna fall apart. If I'm gonna end up hurt in somebody's arms, I hope it's yours. Driving me crazy, loving me, baby. That's the only way I wanna break my heart.
168번으로요 한 단계 더 진하게 칠해 보겠습니다.
The only way I wanna.
165번으로요 한 단계 더 진하게 칠해 보겠습니다.
Sunrise and I'm the moon, yes, like I can't be next to you without my heart stopping in my chest. Oh my God, I'm in. Oh, if I'm gonna crash and burn in somebody's car,
174번으로요 조금 더 어두워지는 부분들 칠해 보겠습니다.
that's the only way I wanna fall apart. If I'm gonna end
105번으로요 밝게 보이는 잎사귀 그려보겠습니다.
that's the only way I wanna break my heart.
247번으로요 어두운 부분들 그려보겠습니다.
I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise. Up all last night, baby, up all last night. Party all night long, there is nothing wrong, baby, it's alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Took a look at myself for a minute, I've been too washed out of the stop to rethink it. Bad vibes are coming like waves. I had to decide why I wanna break down for a minute. It's okay to take a second just to let the intuition happen. You see, I slowly definitions faded out of reminiscences on the past time, drinking in new times. I'm having the best life. How we roll, roll, roll. We've been dancing till we fall, drinking red wine on the weekends just to run away. Go, go, go. I don't want to let this feeling go. I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise. Up all last night, baby, up all last night. Party all night long, there is nothing wrong, baby, this. I just really wanna find a way out of the stress. I feel tired, I wanted to rewind, maybe just rewrite another happy ending to this. Maybe I feel like I'm going crazy by the second. I would love to raise a glass, say a toast, congrats on the good vibes, blessing for true life, praise for the old times.